We're looking at another vertex of the iron triangle, cost. Can we predict how much something will cost? If we cannot, then how do we make a rational argument to build it? Greetings, I'm Dr. Will, and welcome to Dr. Will's Software Project Leadership channel, where we focus on building real software to solve real problems. Okay, a little bit of math. Revenue minus cost equals profit, or loss when cost exceeds revenue. Or for you fans of profit first, profit plus cost equals revenue. See what I did there? Or for an in-house project, the value minus the cost equals the gain or pain when cost exceeds value. If you've already subscribed to the channel, then thank you. If you'd like more content like this, then subscribe and hit the bell below to be notified when new content becomes available. Also, if you're interested in talking about your cost uncertainty of your software projects, then go ahead and schedule some time, free 15-minute consult with me. Hit the link in the show notes below. The standard alternative to profit first for many or most managers and owners is cost first, at least initially. So the equation becomes cost plus profit or minus loss equals the revenue. Why do we put cost first? Because you have influence, if not control, over cost. Also, unless you are selling before you build early on, there's no revenue and no profit. There's only cost and loss. Even if you're selling before you build, you have to create a clickable prototype and market your vaporware to get people into your webinar so you can try to sell them something that doesn't exist yet. Now, unless your time is worth nothing and your marketing is free, you have costs. Early stage product development and in-house projects in general are cost centers, not profit centers. So if you're going to propose a software development effort, then you must be prepared to speak to the cost of the project. Not only the direct cost of the development and the future ongoing support, but also the opportunity cost of pursuing this project rather than something else. Cost in software is almost completely driven by the wetware, the people, which is why outsourcing to overseas developers is attractive. Owing to the differences in cost of living and, quite frankly, expectations, you will spend maybe $15 an hour or less for overseas talent, rather than $45 an hour or more for domestic talent. That means you can get 3 times the hours for the same cost. Or assuming productivity is held constant, and it never is, the same feature set will cost 1/3 as much. Not only does productivity need to be equivalent, but you also have to be able to manage a worldwide distributed team of developers. The communication challenge alone can cripple productivity. And this is why the first question is usually about the projected level of effort. Effort is directly proportional to cost, and there is no escaping that. The best estimates will come from engineers who have built similar applications in the past. Depending on how similar they are, the effort should be roughly equivalent. In a software project, costs are certain and revenue, or benefit from an in-house project, is uncertain. That means that it is a very high-risk strategy to borrow money to develop something on spec. We'll talk more about the business of software in future episodes. This channel is dedicated to helping software projects succeed, not just in the short term, but in the long. So if you'd like more content like this, go ahead and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell to be notified when new content becomes available. Also, if you have any questions, put them in the comments below and I will be happy to entertain them in a later episode. And remember, if you'd like some free consultation on your cost uncertainty of your project, use the link below to set up a free 15-minute consult. That's it for me, for you for now. You have a great day and a great week ahead. Be careful out there. I'll be seeing you. Bye.